Hello kitchen lovers, in today's video we'll be making something special, condensed milk. I will show you how to make condensed milk in the comfort of your kitchen. So welcome and let's get started. In an empty pot I go in with 3 cups of milk, 3 cups of sugar, the ratio is 3 to 3, and 3 cups of water. You mix very well to make sure that the milk and the sugar is well dissolved, like so. Just take your time to mix it very well. You can see it's well dissolved. I now put it on my stove top, put it on low heat and continue to mix. Make sure you stir occasionally to avoid it from overflowing. Continue to mix like this. So you continue to mix gradually like so. Until it thickens. You can see it has thickened now. In fact, when it becomes cold, it's going to be thicker than this. So this is it. We have our condensed milk made in the comfort of our kitchen. Very simple and easy. You don't need to go to the market and start buying condensed milk for thousands of naira. This is something you can do and enjoy in the comfort of your kitchen. This is it. You can see it has thickened now. It's thicker and very, very beautiful. Very yummy and inviting. You can use it on your fruit salads like this, or you use it to glaze your pastries like I did my donuts. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share this video, and always come back for more. God bless you. See you in my next. Bye.